Welcome to ArtiGenius. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to book a demo class with your favorite tutor. Now, let's get started. From the ArtiGenius home screen, log into your student account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your student dashboard. In the search bar, type the name of the tutor you want to learn from. For this example, I'm searching for Nilesh Pandey Sir. From the search results, click on the tutor's profile to view their details. Take a moment to go through their profile, check their experience, teaching subjects, ratings, and reviews. This is your chance to confirm that they match your learning goals. When you're ready, click on the Book Demo button. A calendar will appear showing the available dates and time slots for the tutor. Once you've selected the timing, click the Book a Demo Class button. And that's it. Your demo class is now booked. To see the booking details, click on the View Details button. You'll be taken to your dashboard, where the Demo Classes section will open. Here, you can see all the important details of your booked demo class, including the date, time, and tutor information. Your booking is complete, and you're all set to attend your demo class. Thank you. Keep this video handy, share it with friends, and learn more with ArtiGenius.